We're getting breaking news coming in from Maximum City, Mumbai, where Harshvardhan Sapkal, the Congress Maharashtra chief, has clarified on his statement on comparing Tipu Sultan with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which has raked up a controversy and has also resulted in an FIR against him for raising communal tensions. Meanwhile, the Congress chief has said that my statement was distorted. I am ready for discussion, and he's also taken a snipe at Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, where he said that Fadnavis is only interested in Hindu-Muslim issues and silent on farmers' issues. He's further gone on to say and rather accuse Fadnavis, question him, saying why is Fadnavis silent on the loan waivers and the agricultural agreement. Listen in to the Congress chief and his clarification that has just come in.
मूळ मला जो प्रश्न विचारला होता त्या प्रश्नाच्या अनुषंगानं माझं वक्तव्य आहे. त्या वक्तव्याला तोड मरोडून त्याला दाखवण्याचा जो प्रयत्न केला जातोय तो निंदनीय आहे. मी चर्चेला तयार आहे. जो प्रश्न विचारला होता त्या उत्तराच्या अनुषंगाने माझं विधान आहे. शिवाजी महाराजांचा जाज्वल्य स्वरूपाचा जो पराक्रम आहे तो अद्वितीय आहे.
My colleague Sujata joins us for more on this bidding controversy in Maharashtra. Sujata, we saw the controversy, the FIR being filed, and now an instant clarification coming in from the Congress chief, and also an attack, so to say, at Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Can you walk us through the latest?
Well, absolutely, and Harshvardhan Sapkar has now finally reacted to all of the statements that have been given by the BJP as well as Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, where Harshvardhan Sapkar has now clarified that his statement has been misinterpreted and distorted at a time when he was referring to Tipu Sultan in connection with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and also he attacked on the present government, stating that why is it that Devendra Fadnavis is not willing to speak on the agricultural agreements as well as the problems which are being faced by the farmers in Maharashtra. He also clarified that he did not mean to disrespect or demean the image of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Maharashtra, and now he also stated that the BJP and specifically Devendra Fadnavis has only been doing politics surrounding the Hindu and Muslim issue, and that the real issues of Maharashtra are not being noticed and spoken about. So this comes at a time when political tensions in Maharashtra have already been escalated. We saw multiple reactions coming in from several other leaders, whereas a few were trying to defend what we saw, what Harshvardhan Sapkar said, whereas others attacked the Congress for its ideological backwardness in terms of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, stating that the people of Maharashtra will not tolerate this, and henceforth we also saw FIR being registered against Harshvardhan Sapkar in Pune, and as soon as it was done, it was Sapkar who turned out with a clarification. Back to you.
Absolutely. Sujata there, putting all the developments in this raging Tipu Sultan controversy in perspective for our viewers there. Meanwhile, let's just once again listen in to this clarification coming in from Congress Maharashtra Chief Harshvardhan Sapkar.
मूळ मला जो प्रश्न विचारला होता त्या प्रश्नाच्या अनुषंगानं माझं वक्तव्य आहे. त्या वक्तव्याला तोड मरोडून त्याला दाखवण्याचा जो प्रयत्न केला जातोय तो निंदनीय आहे. मी चर्चेला तयार आहे. जो प्रश्न विचारला होता त्या उत्तराच्या अनुषंगाने माझं विधान आहे. शिवाजी महाराजांचा जाज्वल्य स्वरूपाचा जो पराक्रम आहे तो अद्वितीय आहे.
Meanwhile, as you just saw there, politics is heating up, or should I say has already heated up in Maharashtra over remarks on Tipu Sultan. That's right. Now, the controversy began after Maharashtra Congress President Harshvardhan Sapkal, whose statement you just heard, compared Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj with Tipu Sultan. That's right. He called Tipu Sultan a great warrior and a true son of India. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis hit back sharply, terming the comparison highly condemnable. And not only this, he also warned that equating Shivaji Maharaj with Tipu Sultan will not be tolerated. What was the fallout of this? Meanwhile, in Malegaon, Deputy Mayor Shane-e-Hind defended keeping Tipu Sultan's portrait in her office. Now, for perspective, this is from where exactly, this is the focal point from where the entire controversy initially spiraled out from. Now, adding more fuel to the already burning fire, AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has now entered the debate. He's jumped into the fray, calling Tipu Sultan a martyr who fought the British, contrasting him with who? With Veer Savarkar, and also citing APJ Abdul Kalam's Wings of Fire and Mahatma Gandhi's writings to underline Tipu's legacy. Now, meanwhile, all of this is going on. A complaint has also been filed against Maharashtra Congress chief in Pune over this statement.
छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचं शौर्य ज्या पद्धतीचं आहे आणि एक स्वराज्य नावाचा त्यांनी ज्या पद्धतीने एक विचार दिला आहे, अगदी त्यांच्याच मांडेआळीमध्ये त्यांच्यानंतर त्यांच्या बऱ्याच कालावधी लोटल्यानंतर त्यांचा आदर्श घेऊन टिपू सुलतान यांनी इंग्रजांच्या विरोधात कुठेतरी लढा पुकारला होता. आणि त्या अर्थानं टिपू सुलतान हे एक शौर्य गाजवणारे एक योद्धे होऊन गेले, एक भारताचे भूमिपुत्र होऊन गेले. त्यांनी कधी कुठल्याही विखारी विचारांना त्यांनी जवळ केलं नाही. तर एक शौर्याचं लक्षण म्हणून टिपू सुलतानांना आपण शिवाजी महाराजांच्या समकक्ष बघितलं पाहिजे.
कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष हर्षवर्धन सपकाळ ने जिस प्रकार से छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की तुलना टीपू सुल्तान के साथ की है, हम इसकी निंदा करते हैं. उनको शर्म आनी चाहिए. छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जिन्होंने मुगलों के साथ लड़ाई करके स्वराज्य का निर्माण किया और हजारों हिंदुओं को कत्ल करने वाला टीपू सुल्तान, वो और महाराज, इनको एक समान आदर दिया जाए, इस प्रकार की बात अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती है तो वोटों के लालच में ये कितने भी जूते चाटे, महाराष्ट्र और देश इसको सहन नहीं करेगा.
जिस वक्त मैं चार्ज ली उसी वक्त तो फोटो मुझे दी गई, लेकिन जब मैं चार्ज ली तो ये काम वहाँ के प्रशासन का था कि किसकी फोटो लगी होनी. आप उनसे ये सवाल करो कि वहाँ क्यों फोटो लगी नहीं थी. मेरा तो फर्स्ट टाइम था वहाँ. देखिए, वहाँ तो फोटो सबसे पहले जो लगनी चाहिए थी वो हमारे राष्ट्रपिता की लगनी चाहिए थी, जिसने हमको, हमारा संविधान हमको जीने की आज़ादी दी, लोगों को हर तबके को बराबरी का सलूक किया बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर के. और बाकी सब चीज़ों के साथ अगर टीपू सुल्तान साहब की भी वहाँ तस्वीर थी तो कोई विवाद की बात नहीं.
99 में टीपू सुल्तान की शहादत हुई. अंग्रेजों से लड़कर टीपू की शहादत हुई. जेल में बैठकर टीपू तुम्हारे वीर की तरह 6 लव लेटर नहीं लिखा अंग्रेजों को मैं माफ कर दो, तुम जो बोले मैं करता हूं. टीपू तलवार लेकर अपने मुल्क को अंग्रेजों से आजाद कराने के लिए शहीद हो गया. और अंग्रेजों को टीपू से इतना डर था, गांधी ने अपनी यंग एज मैगजीन में लिखा कि टीपू सुल्तान वॉज द एम्बॉडीमेंट ऑफ हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी. यानी वो टीपू सुल्तान हिंदू और मुसलमानों में मोहब्बत का यज्जाई था.
Congress party has lost its mental balance in vote bank politics. Now it has stooped to the newest low, and they have compared Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to Tipu Sultan. Can Tipu Sultan, who's a murderer of Hindus, a person who's the most controversial figure, be compared to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the great son of Mahabharati, the great son of Maharashtra, who's like a god for all of us? First they have insulted Savarkarji, now they're insulting Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, they have insulted Ambedkarji, they have insulted Sardar Patel. To just appease one vote bank and to make one family look good, they will keep insulting our national icons. No less than the removal of Maharashtra Congress chief will be acceptable. Congress party should apologize. People of Maharashtra will never forgive them.